Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam Ferrules at reference object bolt. This tool actually simplifies the most repetitive task in precast detailing. If you're a precast detailer, you know how demanding and time-consuming this process can be. You need to add ferrules manually by picking the right point and place them correctly, add them as sub-assemblies to the panels. You also have to assign near or far side based on the cast unit form face manually, and chance of committing error is high. But with this application, the entire process is automated. You just have to select the reference object bolts where you need to add the ferrules to the panels. It will automatically add ferrules as sub-assemblies, and with this application, you can automate the entire process. Let me go through the demo with you. Here is the application. You can add ferrules or other components. This is just an additional option. Let me keep this ferrule option here. When you choose component, for example, this will automatically enable this name and settings field. You can open the component catalog and select the component and select the settings. Let me just go to the ferrules because we don't normally use this component option. Once you select the ferrule option, it will automatically enable this window, and you have 4 different types: generic ferrule, Ancon, reed and nexus. And once you choose Ancon, it will automatically update the list. Let me also select reed and nexus. Let me go back to generic ferrule. You can change the finish, and here you can add the length. For example, if I change the size, it will automatically update the name. Let me also change the length. And once you click on the other field, you can see it is automatically updating the name field. If you want to change the prefix, change this option to yes. Now you can add part prefix and assembly prefix for the ferrules. Let the class be 100. If you're adding this ferrules to the propping, change this option to yes, so that it will add prop as prefix to the name. You have 2 options here, auto and BS. When you choose auto, the system will automatically add the position as near side or far side based on the cast unit form face. If you have ferrules exactly opposite to each other, then you can choose this BS option. Now I'm going to select the reference object bolt. For example, let me just double click on it. For example, I'm going to keep this reference object bolt option enabled. I'm going to do the cross selection. Now you can see all the reference object bolts are selected. Now once I click insert ferrules for selected objects, now you can see it is adding ferrules to the selected reference object bolts. Now you can see here, I have enabled the object representation. So if I open the view properties, if I go to the representation, you can see near side is green, far side is red. Let me show the cast unit form face. On this side, for this panel, this is the cast unit form face. So you can see this is actually in green, and on the opposite side, it is red. When it comes to the next panel, this is the cast unit form face. And just look at this ferrules. This is the near side and this is the far side. Now these two are exactly opposite to each other. So how I can change this to BS? Select the component and then change this option to BS and update selected ferrules. You can see now. Let me go and inquire this object. Let me open the user-defined attributes. If I go to the custom, you can see here. If you want to change it back, again you can select these two and select auto and update selected ferrules. If you want to change the size and length, and click Update Selected Ferrules. Let me open the user-defined attributes one more time. It is also adding the product code here, product description, and comment. And if I go to the custom, you see the position here. And once I double click and open the property of this, now you can see the name. So all these processes are completely automated. Now let me also show you. Let me redraw the view. Now I'm going to select this panel as an assembly and hide it by pressing the Shift key. Now, if you take a closer look at this, the ferrules are not visible. That indicates all the ferrules are automatically added as sub-assembly to the respective panels. Let me also do for this panel. You can see now. As you can see, this handles everything all in one go. I'm sure that you can understand as a precast detailer how much hours you can cut down by using this automation tool. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.